Hello everyone, my name is Arvapalli Ramprasad. Today we are going to discuss the LeetCode Daily challenge problem, which is maximum distance in array. Let me just quickly go through the array, guys. You are given m arrays where each array is sorted in ascending order. We are given with m arrays and each array is sorted in ascending order. You can pick up two integers from two different arrays and calculate distance. What actually we have to do here? We have to pick any two integers from any two arrays and we have to calculate the distance and we have to return the maximum distance here. Let me just quickly go to the blackboard and explain the question more. Here, consider these are our m arrays. These all arrays are sorted in ascending order. So let me just pick 0 from this array and 8 from this array. What actually I'm doing here, I'm picking two different integers from two different arrays. Okay, I'm just quickly subtract to these numbers. I'm just calculating the maximum difference, like 8 minus 0. I'm doing the absolute difference that equal to 8. So for example, if I will pick 1 from this array and 5 from this array. Now, let me do a difference here. So, absolute difference 5 minus 1. That is 4. So, the maximum of these two is 8. So, we have to return this maximum distance. Okay. Till here, we understand that what actually the question asking us to do. Okay. How to approach this question? Let's go through the approach, guys. Okay, I'm erasing all the stuff here. Okay, initially I'm taking a max variable, that is max, and min variable also, max distance also. Okay, here from this first array, this array is sorted, so the maximum is 3, so I'm updating the maximum as 3, and the minimum is 1, so I'm updating minimum as 1. Okay, now we are at this array. Okay, in this array, the maximum is 5 and the minimum is 4. Okay, so what actually I will do here? So, in order to get the maximum distance, what we have to do? We have to subtract the minimum number from maximum number. So, I will write a formula here, guys. Difference equal to max value minus minimum value. Okay, so here, till here, our maximum value is 3. Our current minimum is 4. So I subtract 4 from 3. So the absolute difference of 3 and 4 is 1. Now, our min value till now is 1. So I subtract this min value from our current max value, that is 5. So here 5 minus 1, that equal to 4. So till here our maximum distance is 4. So I am updating our maximum distance equal to 4. Now, now we have to update our max and min. So the minimum is the minimum of 1 and 4. So till here the minimum of 1 and the minimum of 1 and 4 is 1. So I'm not updating 1. And our max value is the max of 3 and 5. Till here our max is 3. Now I'm updating it has 5. So till here, till here, our min value is 1 and our max value is 5. Okay, now we are at here. Here, our min value is 1 and our max is 3. So now I have to calculate the max difference of this max and this min. So max value is 3 and min value is 1. So the answer is 2. And now I have to subtract this min value from this max value. So our max value is 5 and our min value is 1 till here. So we get here 4. So the maximum of these two is 4. So I compare this 4 with this 4, which is maximum. Both are same. So I'm not updating the max distance here. Okay. Now we are at here. Oh, actually we have to update these variables also. The maximum of 5 and 3 is what? 5, so I'm not updating it. And the minimum of 1 and 1 is what? 1, so I'm not updating it. Okay, now we are at here, our minimum value is 6 and our maximum value is 8. Now I subtract 1, this minimum value, from this maximum value. Okay, I'm doing it here. 8 minus 1, I got 7 here. And I have to subtract this minimum value from this maximum value. It is max 5 minus 6. So absolute difference is 1. So the maximum of these two is 7. So now I have to compare this 7 with this 4. The maximum of this 4 and 7 is like 7. So I'm updating maximum distance is 7. Okay. Now we are at here. 0 is our minimum and maximum is our 2. Don't forget to update our max and min values. So our max value is the maximum of 5 and 8 is 8. So I'm updating with 8. And our minimum value, the minimum of 1 and 6 is like 1. So I'm not updating our minimum value. Till here, our maximum value is 8 and our minimum value is 1. Now this is our maximum in this array. So I have to subtract this min value from this max value. Okay, I'm doing this here. This 2 is our maximum and 1 is our minimum. So our difference is 1. And now this is our minimum and this is our maximum, that is 8 minus 0, that equal to 8. So the maximum of these two is like 8. Okay, till here we got 8. So I have to compare this 8 with our max distance. So the maximum of 7 and 8 is like 8. So I update our max variable with 8. Okay, this is how actually we can calculate our maximum distance. Let me quickly go through the coding part, guys. This is our driver code, guys. First, what actually we have to do here, we have to initialize our min value and our max value. So what is our min value? Min value is our first array's first value. What is our max value? Is our last value of our first array. So I'm initializing it. Int min value equal to min value equal to arrays dot get 0 dot get 0. So what actually we are doing in this line here, arrays dot get 0, we are getting this array here. And now get 0, we are getting our first element. Okay, now int max equal to arrays dot get 0, we are getting our first array and we want to initialize with our last element. So dot get arrays dot get 0 dot size minus 1. So I am extracting the last value from our first array. Okay, now I initialize our max distance with integer dot min value. Int max dist equal to integer dot min value here. Okay, now I have to iterate over this every arrays and I have to calculate the maximum distance. Okay, for int I equal to 1 semicolon I less than arrays dot size, arrays a yes, arrays dot size semicolon I plus plus. Now what actually I have to do, okay, let me write it first. Max distance equal to mat dot max of, okay, I will do it like this. Now let's look at this, what actually I'm doing here. Int val1 equal to mat dot abs of arrays dot get I dot get 0 minus max. What actually I'm doing here, I'm doing the here absolute difference. I'm calculating the absolute difference of what is the arrays dot get I dot get 0 here, 4. So this is the minimum value in this particular array. So I'm getting 4 here minus till here. What is our max till here? 3, and our minimum is till here 1. Now we are subtracting it with 3. Now we are getting our absolute difference as 1. So our value 1 is 1. Okay. Int val2 equal to mat dot abs absolute difference of arrays dot get I. I am getting this array now, and dot get arrays dot size minus one element. Arrays dot get I dot size minus one element. So I put all this in one bracket. Okay, minus one here, doing sorry minus min value here, and I will put bracket here. So everything is fine now. What actually we are doing here? Okay, look at this. Look at this here. Absolute difference of till here the maximum value is 5 in this array, and the minimum value till here is 1. This is our minimum value. So I am subtracting this one from this. I am subtracting 1 from 5. So I will get 5 minus 1 equal to 4 here. So our value 2 is 4. So now I will update our max distance. So max dist equal to mat dot max of mat max distance comma mat dot max of val1 comma val2. So here till here our max value is max, or max distance is our minimum value min, and the maximum of value 1 and value 2, 1 and 4 is 4. So the maximum of this min value and 4 is like 4. So we update max distance with 4 till here. And now we have to update our min and our max values. So min equal to mat dot min of min comma current min. What is our current min? Arrays dot get I dot get 0 is our current min, and we also have to update our max. So max equal to mat dot max of max comma arrays dot get I dot get arrays dot get I dot get size minus 1 here. Okay. Okay, we have to return our max distance. Yes, let me quickly run our code. Okay, we are encountering an error. The error is like symbol arrays. Okay, ARRAYS here, and at line number 21, what is the error here? Symbol method size, it is 21. not get here. We have to write only dot size here. Okay. Now, oh, we have to semicolon expected. Okay, let me check this line. Max comma arrays dot get I dot get arrays dot get I dot size minus one. Okay. Okay, there is one bracket extra here, so I'm removing it and I run it. Yes, the code accepted here, and the runtime is 0 milliseconds. I submit this code. Yeah, the code is working fine. This is how actually we can solve this problem. If you like my coding quality and my approach to solve this problem, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.